Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set status visible to everyone on IMO application. So how to set status visible to everyone on IMO application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the IMO app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the IMO app. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. A scroll-down menu will appear. Next, tap the Security and Privacy menu. Next, scroll down. And tap the Input Status menu. There are several options here. Tap Everyone. So that's it, tutorial on how to set status visible to everyone on IMO application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.